Shalom everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making sweet and sour turkey. What you're going to need is starting off with some turkey breast. You can pick this up at Walmart in the freezer section. And it will come seasoned, so I completely wash all of the seasoning off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut this down into bite sizes, which I'm going to show you right now. Make sure that you guys like, share, and also subscribe to this channel as well too, because you'll definitely enjoy all the delicious recipes that I have in store for you. But as you can see right here, I've cut it down to bite sizes. I'm going to make it a little bit of smaller sizes only because of the simple fact that I want more out of this turkey breast. And I'm not going to bore you with it, so I just went ahead and speeded up the process. From here, we're going to go ahead and season. I'm going to be using some Larry's seasoning salt. This is about approximately maybe 3 tablespoons. You can adjust the seasoning level according to your taste. I'm going to be also using some garlic powder, same thing, and then also black pepper as well too. And I'm going to be also using some garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. And feel free, like I said, to adjust the seasonings. And lastly, some onion powder. And once that's all done, let's go ahead and bring all those seasonings together and give this a quick mix. Once you're done giving this a quick mix, we're going to go ahead and put this aside in a bowl while we prepare our flour. Now this is one of those things that a lot of people ask, how do you prepare seasoned flour? This is exactly how, and I'm probably going to speed this process up only because of the simple fact I'm going to be using the same seasonings. But I used approximately about 2 cups of flour. And if you guys didn't know, definitely use cornstarch in your flour. Trust me when I say this, it makes any fried food 10 times crispier. So I'm just going to use a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. You can level it to what you want. It's no wrong or no right. And like I said, these are the same seasonings that I use to season the turkey. Now, all I'm going to do is just add just a small ounce of seasoning. Not too much, you guys. The only reasons why I'm doing this is to season the flour, so when I do coat the turkey, that the seasoning sticks. And a lot of the seasoning actually comes off when you add 1 egg. So we're going to add more, okay? Because I want crispy turkey, okay? So 1 egg is all you'll need for this dish. Now, if you are using more turkey, then you will need an additional egg. I say at max 2 eggs. That's it. And all you're going to do is give this a quick mix and set it off to the side. Now let's bring back that flour. From here, you're just going to go ahead and drop that turkey right into the flour, give it a quick mix, and let's take it to the fryer. Now here I have vegetable oil. You can definitely choose any kind of oil that you feel comfortable with, but I decided to go with the oil that I did have. So this is going to fry at least, bare minimum, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your stovetop. Now, it didn't take that long, so make sure that you guys definitely watch this, and in between the frying time, make sure you guys are also paying attention for the coloration. It will start to turn a light brown. Give it a quick stir. And then from there, once you start seeing it float to the top or tend to turn a darker brown, that's when it's ready. So when it's all done, all you're going to do is just simply remove it. Make sure that you have a plate with a towel, so therefore the oil can, of course, drain off, as you can see there. When I tell you my kitchen smells absolutely amazing right now, I could just eat the turkey like this, but we're not done yet. We're gonna still continue. Look at the crispiness in this turkey. I tell you guys can eat it like this, okay? Have some turkey nuggets right there, because this turkey right here is, it's so good. So moving on, you guys. What you're gonna need is a yellow pepper, a green pepper, a red pepper, and an orange pepper. Now, I only used half of each pepper. And you're also going to need half of a yellow onion. Now, I saved you the time of looking at me cutting, so I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. Make sure that you reserve some of the oil to add into the pot. This is because it is going to give it extra flavor, you guys. It's going to take it to another level. Trust me. So you're just going to use a good 2 spoonfuls of that oil. And what you're going to do is take those vegetables, and now we're going to cook the vegetables. This process right here is not going to take that long. All you're looking to see is that the vegetables are fully coated with the oil and also cooked down a little bit. If you do want that crunchiness, then don't cook it as so long. It'll probably take approximately maybe 5 to 10 minutes at max. Once you do see the vegetables have cooked down, as you can see right here in the video, you're going to add some sweet and sour sauce and also some pineapple juice. So I'm just going to add half of the bottle now. Reserve half of it later. Trust me, keep watching and you'll see why. And I'm going to give it a quick mix, and then I'm only going to add a little bit of the pineapple juice, and I mean a little bit, you guys, because you want to measure the sweetness that you want in your sweet and sour turkey now. So I only added just a mere little, and then now I'm going to be adding some of the diced pineapples in it as well. Now you can add as many as you want, because as many as you add, you're going to intensify the sweetness in this. So I only added just a couple because I do have that pineapple juice in there. Allow this to cook down for an additional 3 minutes. That's it. And that's only to incorporate the vegetables with the sauce. And once that's done, what you're going to do is now add in the turkey. You're going to give this a quick toss with the sauce that I told you to reserve. And then give it a quick mix. And you're going to allow the sauce to just cook inside the turkey. The key component here is allow it to cook for an additional 3 minutes after you've added the sauce and you've given a quick stir. And as you guys can see, I'm making sure every single turkey piece is coated with this sauce. And just adding the remaining of the sweet and sour sauce. And I'm just adding a little smidgen of the pineapple juice. And once you've given it a quick stir to combine everything together, this is what it looks like, you guys. Right now my kitchen is like out of this world. I'm talking about, it smells so amazing in here. But with that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and with that, I will see you in the next video. Shalom.